Hello guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to make this design right here. So we import the first image. This is it. I unlock its layer, I zoom in a little bit, and I will delete this space right here. I will use the quick selection tool and I will select this space right here. Then I click delete from the keyboard. And here we are. Now I add this image to replace the space we deleted. So I drag it to the design page and I put it right here. I make it the bottom layer so that it looks like this. I adjust the image color balance to make it a little bit blue, like this image, like this. As you see, this image is blue, so we need to make the whole image or the whole design consistent. Now I'll make the background a little bit blurry. Then I will add the character image. I drag it to the design page and I adjust its size and I will put it right here. I edit the character color balance as well. And I edit the light levels like this. And I click OK. Now I create a new layer. Then I select the paint bucket tool. And I make this space in black. Then I go here, filter, then render, then lens flare. And I will select any option I like. For me, I will go with this one. Then I go here. You can choose whatever option you like from here. For me, I will go with color dodge. And I will drag it right here. And you can take a look at the design after we added the filter. It's a huge difference. So that would be all for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.